10 years ago, this was a dead cattle ranch. Compacted soil, no canopy, no wildlife, no life. Today, it is a recovering tropical forest, home to ocelots, coatis, over 80 bird species, and 5 endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Planet Healers was built on a simple belief: the Earth can recover. The work is learnable. And you don't have to be an expert to begin, only willing to pay attention. From Tsunul Reserve in Yucatán, Mexico, we have spent 30 years developing and teaching the knowledge, the practice, and the community that make ecological restoration possible for ordinary people everywhere. To everyone in the global Earth repair convergence, we see you. You are already answering the call. We want to invite you to walk the Planet Healers path with us. The path is a 5-stage journey, from first awakening, through ecological literacy and hands-on restoration practice, to teaching others and building something that outlasts you. Whether you are just beginning to feel that grief and love for the living world, or you are already deep in fieldwork, there is a next step here for you. The Planet Healers path is where your commitment becomes skill, and your skill becomes lasting change. Come walk it with us. Choosing the Planet Healers path is joining the most generous act available to a human being, contributing to a commons that no one can take away. When we choose to restore the Earth, we are making a decision that goes far beyond ourselves. On our YouTube channel you will find videos straight from the field, restoration in action, tutorials, interviews, and live updates from the reserve. Here is what is coming up at Planet Healers. Gives field intensives at Tsunul Reserve. 1 week of immersive, hands-on restoration practice with Paul and Sophia. Priority for Patreon supporters. Gives skill stays. A few days of real fieldwork on the reserve for those who want direct, embodied experience. Gives online courses and community. Learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. Spaces are limited. Visit planethealers.org to see dates and register. The Earth can recover. The work is learnable. Learn. Restore. Teach. Build.